I hear my machine. Oh, Miles. Say, I hear my machine and I want to go see it. Tell everybody I got stung by my first bee sting this morning. Mama freaked out a little bit. Yeah, tell them it hurt. That stuff hurt, huh? Mama freaked out. That was the first bee sting and I wanted to make sure he wasn't allergic. Patty Mayo's unloaded. Can I do I can't record it? Just kidding. Sorry guys, you can't see it yet. Oh, you're gonna get a special reveal. There's puppy dogs. Look, Maya's puppy dogs. Say hi. Like that one's a little slow. She's older. She's older. Sorry guys, I was gonna show you, but you don't get to see yet. So just Miles. Miles, what do you think of the car? Oh, say I love it. You want it? Want to go for a ride, huh?
Oh yeah. So
we found
we're over here grilling because Jonathan borrowed the Dodge and we found this GoPro.
He left his GoPro.
Yep. So we're gonna have some fun with the GoPro, and then when he decides that he realized he lost it, then we might tell him. Maybe. But we're not telling him until he realizes he lost it. Because what are friends for?
He's gonna be like, gosh, I lost my GoPro again.
It's gonna be great. So follow us drinking around camp and we'll see what ends up on this versus YouTube. But it's not apple juice.
My name's and I'm an alcoholic.
So
have fun editing.
Yep, have fun editing. Jonathan loses cameras, so we're not gonna tell anybody.
Is it off?
Jonathan,
No, it's on.
you lose your shit more than anybody I know.
Uh-huh.
And it was in our truck. So therefore, I get to talk on here.
Yep.
We love you guys, and we can't wait
Get
to be
your
in
ass
Winchester.
over here. Where the hell
Come
are you?
over.
And be prepared to see weird stuff on your camera the whole time.
Yep.
Weird shit.
Yep. A whole bunch of weird.
So today is Monday.
Today is
at
Monday.
8:45. Let's see what he asks where it is. Monday,
Yep.
8:45 p.m. He has not asked or texted about it yet.
Nope.
Say cheese. Aubrey and Miles. They're so silly, Willy. You want some hot dogs?
Did you guys eat?
Yes. Yeah. Recording the whole time? Oh. Say hi, Dada. Hi. Say I fell down the stairs.
Late night shenanigans, guys. I bet you thought this video was over. You were right. It's over. Good night. Oh, say hi.
Hi!
Hi. Yeah. Okay, good night for real this time. Yeah. I think. Not for me, but for you guys. Y'all have to go to sleep now.
Adios.
Say adios.
Hasta
Miles,
luego.
can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye?
Say bye-bye.
Say goodbye. We made it to Vendor Row, guys. Wow, they set it up fast. It was literally like, we were here yesterday. There was only like 3 tents set up, and now everybody's here. Shout out to these guys right here. They freaking fixed my homeboy's YXZ. Thank y'all. So, like I said, if you're ever needing like anything fixed and you're out at Takeover, Wicked Metalworks, they fix everybody's stuff. They can weld on the fly, everything. They literally took a broken manifold like how mine was in Glamis. It was cracked everywhere. They welded it up, and now he's out here having fun. Let's check out the vendors. We got the Segway booth there.
Oh, should we tell him about our super villain we're going to get?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay, guys. So we went over to vendors. We can't get the treasure hunt stuff until tomorrow. There's no cheating. It's got to be fair. Fair is fair. So we're over here at the Whiskey Throttle camp. Look at the kiddos. They're digging to China. What you doing? What are you doing down there? You got your friends? Where are you guys digging to? Aubrey.
I don't know.
What you doing?
Whatever is under us.
Whatever's under us. They're digging for gold. Digging for gold, huh? Yeah? Say hi, Miles! Oh, we're petting our friends. We're just living our best lives here. Good job, guys. Good job. You having fun? Oh my gosh. That's the best. I love it. They're just having so much fun. They're like so unamused sometimes. Sometimes I have to just like leave him and walk away for a second so he can try to get used to other people. It's a struggle, because then he just cries. Everybody's working hard. We got tires getting mounted. Are you changing a belt in here?
Probably should have, but no, we're changing the clutch kit.
Oh.
We didn't.
Oh. Well,
Are you videoing me?
I am.
You son of a...
Haha, I gotcha.
I swear too much for your family page.
That's okay, I got meows. Meow. We got Colton and Will over here. We got Huckleberry. Huckleberry's alive and well. Look at that. Huckleberry and Finn. And Finn's all back together. Well, kinda. Not necessarily. So, everybody's just working on things, getting prepped. This is prep day, you know? Get everything ready to go. I'm gonna go make sure Miles isn't screaming in Aurora's lap. Are you hanging out with your friend? Say hi, Aubrey.
Yeah, we get down and we're like, I don't
Can you guys clap? Say woo. No. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. What are you doing? Just hanging out. Looking at our best lives. Don't pick her nose. Don't pick her nose, dude. That's gross.
You guys need to buy one of these. If you want one, I can sell you one. I'm a dealer for them now, working in conjunction with Mofo Racing, Mofo Performance. They have sponsored me for a couple years now, and they also sponsor Colt for the racing. So if you guys are curious who and where all this comes from, it's Mofo Racing. He's a good friend of mine, good guy. He doesn't like to be on the camera a ton. That's why I don't push him out there, like push his name out there or anything, because he's just kind of a silent mover that likes to be good to people, man. And he's been great to me and Colt and a lot of other people. Anyways, Chris is over there playing on a three-wheeler, trying to learn how to ride. We've been having a great time. Poor Rick over here is not having a good time. His generator has not been giving him much love at all, which sucks. But we got a cool mechanic. What's the name of your company again?
Adventure Power Sports.
Will's a babysitter.
That thing's so fun.
Yeah. What is it again?
Adventure Power Sports.
And where are you based out of?
Veneta, Oregon.
Veneta, Oregon. That sounds like it should be in Italy. I don't know where it is. But if you're in Oregon, this guy's a mobile mechanic. He comes to you. And his phone number is 458-326-1610. There you go. So if you need a mobile mechanic, come give this guy a call, man. He's been good to us so far, and he's gonna fix Mr. Rick's generator.
Yes, he is.
Yeah. In case y'all are wondering, that's Tony's dad. We're close.
Yes.
Yes. We're close. All right.
We hang out.
Huh?
We hang out a lot.
Yes. Oh, me and you.
Time.
You talking about me?
Take shots.
Yes. Oh, us.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. He's talking about shots of apple juice,
Yes.
guys. Just so you know,
Apple juice.
we do not drink. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go on the industry ride. I'm sorry I haven't had a lot of riding in today. It's just Tuesday. It's kind of the beginning of the day, and we're still just getting in the groove, getting locked in for takeover. We did do a little bit of a ride. Aurora actually led us. I didn't even realize she was going to lead us, and it was absolutely amazing. I am so proud of that little 10-year-old girl. You don't want to weave with them? Oh, okay. Oh, she's gonna kill herself. God. Okay, guys, it's time for the industry night ride. This is where a lot of vendors and people in the industry that are a part of Takeover actually go for a ride, so ambassadors, stuff like that. So, give me a quick peek of who all's here so far, and then we'll go for a ride. there goes Aurora right there. She said, Jonathan, you're probably gonna have to tow me back. And I'm like, what's wrong with your car? She said, I got no gas. So what's the rules, guys? I'm not even gonna say it in the comments below. What's the rule before you leave camp? I've been guilty too, so I can't say nothing. But so we may or may not have to tell Aurora back. But I told her just push the car until it runs out of gas. Yeah, hanging out. Got the EMR crew right there. We got Rin, we got Will, Geek Tricks. What's up, guys? I just want to tell you that I am trying so hard to edit all of the takeover footage and bring you guys nothing but fun times. But I have to work. It's crazy. I have to work. I do have an actual job, but I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's pretty much the beginning of Takeover, and it's kind of pre-Takeover. This is an industry ride. We had a lot of fun. Aurora did make it back. She did actually have to be towed back. I don't know if I'll put that in the next video or not, but so you know, our 10-year-old, who is now an 11-year-old, was towed back to camp and made it back safe. We appreciate you guys so much. We're so glad we got to meet so many amazing people. I'm sitting here trying to get ready to finish up a bunch of cars I have in my shop and get out to Michigan for Crashpalooza and all this other crazy stuff. But I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much. I'm going to keep editing. I'm going to keep working on these videos. I'm going to end this one here, and it's going to jump back into the night ride back, and then we're just going to have a good time. So thank you to everybody that showed love to us and came and said hi. I know I say that a lot, but I just feel like some YouTubers, you meet them in person and they don't even care that they met you, but I do. Krista does, Baby Miles does, and yeah, that's it. So we're home safe in Utah, and I've already worked all day today and done like 6,000 things, and Krista has a new adventure she's going on. It's just a lot. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, morning, whenever you're watching this. Don't worry, we have nothing but a full schedule ahead, and we can't wait to show you guys the content that we create. So have a wonderful day, night, or morning, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.